The use of AI in dentistry has been gaining attention lately, particularly in implant dentistry.
That's true. Lately, I've been hearing a lot about the improvement of the patient outcome by using AI in dentistry. And by the way, what do you want to explain for us today?
Well, I'm going to explain about an article, and the authors identified several applications of AI in implant dentistry, including implant planning, navigation, and surgical guidance. AI can also analyze postoperative outcomes like implant stability and bone healing.
Oh, wow, that's interesting. Did they find any limitations by using AI?
Yes, they did. They talked about the need for accurate input data and the potential for errors in machine learning algorithms. To give you a bit more detail, the article begins by discussing how implant dentistry has come a long way since its inception. However, there are still challenges that can affect treatments and outcomes, such as inaccurate implant placement or compromised aesthetics and implant failure.
You're right. Implant in dentistry is a complex field that needs precision and attention to the details.
Exactly, and that's where AI comes in. With its ability to analyze vast amount of data quickly and accurately, AI can improve the accuracy and efficiency of various aspects of implant dentistry.
Mhm. Can you tell us some specific examples about the use of AI in the implant dentistry?
Well, the article mentions several applications, such as using AI to plan and simulate implant placement, using AI-based navigation during surgery, and analyzing postoperative outcomes like implant stability and bone healing.
That's really interesting. It sounds like AI can help dentists to make more informed decisions and provide better outcomes for their patients.
Absolutely, but as with any new technology, there are still questions and concerns about the reliability and effectiveness of AI in implant dentistry.
What did the authors say about this subject?
They discussed the need for accurate input data and the importance of testing and validating AI algorithms. They also noted that more research is needed to determine the optimal use of AI in implant dentistry and to ensure patient safety.
It sounds like we need a lot of consideration when we talk about the using AI in implant dentistry.
Yes, but with careful planning and implementation, AI has the potential to greatly benefit both dentists and their patients.
So, how did the authors conduct their review?
Well, they conducted a systematic review of published articles that explored the use of AI in implant dentistry. They used electronic databases to search for articles and then screened and selected them based on predefined inclusion and exclusion criteria.
How did the authors determine the inclusion and exclusion criteria?
Actually, they use a strict criteria to ensure that only high quality studies were included. For example, they only included studies that used AI in implant dentistry and had clear outcome measures.
That makes sense. And at the end, how many studies they choose for their review?
They initially identified 207 studies, but after applying the criteria, they ended up with 17 studies that met their criteria for inclusion.
That's That's a relatively small number of studies. Does that limit the conclusions?
To some extent, yes. The small number of studies and the variation in study design and methodology mean that the results should be interpreted with caution. However, the authors were able to identify some trends and themes in the studies they reviewed.
That's interesting. And how did the studies use AI in implant planning?
Some studies used AI to analyze CBCT scans and plan the optimal placement of implants. Others used AI to create surgical guides or templates that could be used during implant placement.
That sounds like it can be very helpful for the dentist. And what about the other application of the AI in the implant dentistry?
Other studies investigated the use of AI in implant surface analysis, implant stability measurement, and implant success prediction.
That's a wide range of applications. Did the studies show that AI was effective in these areas?
The results were mixed, to tell you the truth. For example, some studies found that AI was highly accurate in predicting implant success or stability, while others found that it was not significantly better than traditional methods.
So it seems like more research is needed to determine the effectiveness of the AI in these areas.
Yes, exactly. The authors noted that the studies varied in design and methodology, which makes it difficult to draw firm conclusions about the effectiveness of AI in the field of implant dentistry. However, they did identify some promising trends and suggest that further research is warranted.
That's good to know. It seems like AI has the potential to be a valuable tool in implant dentistry.
Yes, definitely. The authors conclude that AI has the potential to improve the efficacy and accuracy of implant planning and placement, which could ultimately lead to better outcomes for patients. However, more research is needed to determine the optimal use of AI in different aspects of implant dentistry.
It is good to see that the use of AI in dentistry is progressive. Do you think that we will see more widespread use of AI in the future?
It's certainly possible as AI technology continues to improve and become more accessible. We may see more dentists incorporating AI into their practice. However, it's important to keep in mind that AI is not a substitute for human expertise and judgment. Rather, it should be viewed as a tool to enhance the abilities of dental professionals and improve patient outcomes.
Definitely. Thanks for walking us through this review, Babak. It was interesting to learn more about the potential of AI in implant dentistry.
Of course, happy to discuss it with you.
Well, that's it, friends. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new.
Sure, and don't forget to join the Purple Bobsy family and never miss a moment. Goodbye.